Ever wondered where your money goes when you invest with StashAway? Is your cash chilling in some exotic offshore haven, or is it closer to home than you think? Let's dive in and uncover the mysterious world of StashAway's operational basis. First things first, StashAway is a digital investment platform, meaning there's no physical branch you can waltz into. But that doesn't mean they're a ghost operation. They have a real, tangible presence in several key locations. Now, you might think they're headquartered in some flashy, skyscraper-filled financial hub like New York or London. Well, you'd be partially right. StashAway does have a significant presence in these cities, but it's not their sole domain. The heart of StashAway's operations actually beats in Singapore. This sunny island nation is where the magic happens. It's where their core team of investment experts, tech wizards, and customer support ninjas are based. Singapore's robust financial infrastructure and business-friendly environment make it the perfect launchpad for StashAway's global ambitions. But wait, there's more. StashAway isn't just about Singapore. They've spread their wings to other key markets, recognizing the growing demand for accessible investments. Malaysia, for instance, has embraced StashAway, with a dedicated team and operations catering to the local market. And let's not forget about Egypt. A burgeoning economy with a growing middle class, Egypt is a strategic market for StashAway. They've established a presence there to cater to the investment needs of the Egyptian people. So, to recap, StashAway's operational footprint spans across Asia and the Middle East, with key hubs in Singapore, Malaysia, and Egypt. This strategic positioning allows them to tap into diverse markets and offer tailored investment solutions to a wide range of clients. But remember, while these are the primary locations, the beauty of digital investment platforms like StashAway is that your money works for you regardless of its physical location. Your investments are spread across various asset classes and geographies, ensuring diversification and potentially higher returns. So, the next time you wonder where your StashAway money is hanging out, remember it's in good hands, being managed by a team spread across multiple locations, always working to grow your wealth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.